We're in Yanaka today. That's one of the old Tokyo neighborhoods. I'm so shy. Okay, yeah, I'll cut those things. Yeah. It is cool. Cute. So I've heard that when the Tokyo was established, those rich people, they were given higher land, which were the areas where Shinjuku, Shibuya now, and the working class, they were given the land here. This area. As you can see on the picture here, the red one says Yamanote, which is higher lands, and the blue one is Shitamachi, which is lower land. Our destination today is Yanaka, which is a part of Taito ward. To put it really simply, since those days and up until now, Shitamachi culture is considered to be more authentic and traditional, while Yamanote is about present and future. The neighborhood is really well preserved. A lot of the buildings are here, they were not touched by the war or other disasters, so some of them are 100 years old. So it really has the Japanese vibes when you just walk around, see those like tiny cute buildings, tiny cute houses. So this area is called Yanaka Dandan. I also heard that there's so many movies were shot here. This is like really, really iconic. Couldn't easily find confirmation about any movie being shot on Yanaka Dandan. Regardless, it's really, really beautiful. They're really, really unique location and must see for anyone who is curious about that part of Tokyo that preserves authenticity and traditions. And so down there is a street where you can buy food, you can buy a lot of souvenirs. This area is also, for some reason, is famous for cats. They say there are a lot of stray cats can be seen here. Down there on the street we could see a lot of little sculpture of little cats, like on top of the building or somewhere below there. It's really cute. It looks cute, and of course there's a cat inside. Since we didn't see any stray cats on the streets, we decided to go to a cat cafe. It's a very I would say popular thing to do in Japan, and where else to do it if not in Yanaka, the town of the cats. So none of us have ever been to a cat cafe or any type of animal cafe before that. You can visit this cafe and just play with kitties, or you can also buy some food and drinks. Unfortunately, they did not like us too much. Or I don't really know how that works with cats. I guess you need to build a relationship before they will let you play with them and be nice to you. But yeah, anyway, it was fun.
Sorry. Wait. It's kind of express their emotion.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. I think the way to say I like you or I love you.
Oh.
He loves me.
He loves you.
They don't like me.
No.
I think they don't like you either.
He's looking at cat language.
Short meow. Short meow is hey, how you doing? Multiple meows. I'm so happy to see you. Where you been? I missed you. Meow 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 meow.
Which means, come here.
It's not working, man.
No.
Okay, it looks like they ended up liking Sam so very much, and I'm more of like a dog person, maybe? There's another one seeking for your attention. This street features around 80 stores that sells crafts, souvenirs, a lot of food options, little snacks that you can try, street food type of things. It's like those little grandma type of cooking places where you can just get the little bites, like little tempura bites or katsu. And they're like super cheap, super delicious. That's the funny part about this area. This fancy or like hipster looking like coffee shop can be like right next to a granny selling tempura for 50, 80 yen a piece. Super nice. You should definitely come.
Whenever we are in Yanaka, we always want to eat something. Well, I mean, we always want to eat something regardless the place. But here we always try to eat something new, go to different places. But there's one place that we love so much. So in the past week we went there 3 times already. Yeah, that's the soba place, and it's a really popular food during the summertime, I feel like, at least for me. That's like my personal favorite and popular food during the summertime.
And so this is the mixture where you're dipping your soba.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah. How's
Amazing. That's just the best.
yeah?
I think it's the best summer food. Like really, I mean it. Tempura. That's like my new love.
It's eggplant tempura.
Eggplant tempura. I'm like not sure if I'm supposed to do that, but I'm dipping that too. And there's also pumpkin, pepper, shrimpy.
It's huge.
So hot.
It's so hot inside. That's when you know it's good. Itadakimasu. Alright, so we're at a sake place, standing sake place here in Yanaka. You know, as you can see here, we're like currently drinking outside, and then the vibe is like super nice here as well. There's like people drinking outside with their dogs, right? And here is a cup of sake, Nihonshu, Japanese sake. And what's also cool about this place is that you can eat whatever you get outside, or like you can bring food here as well. So we got crab sticks from Konbini, 7-Eleven, and we're like eating this as well as drinking the Japanese sake. So one of the go-tos in Yanaka Ginza. Cheers!
We also wanted to try something for dessert, and we picked the place that sells Kakigori, which is a flavored shaved ice. I've never tried it before, so I was kind of excited to try that one. I mean, it tastes like ice, honestly speaking, shaved ice, but it's kind of cool though, because you eat something sweet, which is at the same time super cold and super refreshing. So I would highly recommend you trying that.
Say, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's red. Yanaka is also known as a temple town, and that is for a reason. In Yanaka alone are around 76 of temples. Most of them are pretty small though. Small but beautiful. This is one of the examples today. This temple,
Chokyuin Temple.
Chokyuin Temple. And this temple was actually moved to Yanaka over 350 years ago. And why this one is pretty fun for us, we thought, is that because they say that the gate of this temple still has the bullet holes from the Ueno battle. So let's check it out.
Since the first temple didn't work out for us, we decided to go to the largest one in the area, Tennoji Temple. That one was established in 1274 during the Kamakura era.
Before you start freaking out, it's not weird. It's okay to be in a cemetery and record here, and yeah. So Yanaka Cemetery is the biggest cemetery in Tokyo, if I'm not mistaken.
Yanaka Cemetery is huge. It's about 10 hectares with over 7,000 graves. The cemetery is dotted with trees, small gardens and graves. This is a road just in the middle of the cemetery. Well, look on the right side, left side. You can see people passing by, walking from school back home or just minding their own business. We've been here when the sakura was blooming, and that's the very hot spot for hanami. Hanami is when people having meals, like a picnic type of thingy, just gathering with their families or loved ones, sharing meal, and that's basically happening in the middle of the cemetery. So as you can see, there's basically a playground for kids that is also in the middle of the cemetery. Overall, as you can see, there are so many people that are just living their normal life, driving cars, going back home from school. So I kind of feel normal. In general, I just love how Yanaka is super peaceful. There's like literally no tourists. Sometimes people just passing by. But overall, it's so quiet and so peaceful. I do not think you can find as cool and as quiet and as peaceful place as this one in the whole Tokyo. So that is definitely recommended to see.
Alright everyone, so that's a wrap on Yanaka. Thanks for watching the video and taking a tour with us today. And if you ever visit Tokyo, chances are you might overlook Yanaka because you might be interested in more in Shibuya, Shinjuku, and other big cities. But trust us, this is a beautiful place and is one of our favorite places to go because of its local vibes and beautiful people. Alright, anyways, thanks for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more Japan contents. And as always, let's explore,
Let's experience.
and let's meet Japan!